So here I have the dusters, and I'm gonna be doing the floor, doing the walls, and just doing the table and showing you guys how well this picks up and how to see how long this lasts before I feel like it's time to throw it away. So you're gonna come with me and we're gonna do the house real quick. So here it is. Like, my dogs go in and out all the time, and here's some plenty of dirt and hair. And look, it's picking it up. That's so nice. So this is just the floor so far, and I'm gonna use another one for dusting the walls and stuff. And see that, like, I haven't vacuumed, and I have 2 dogs, and they go in and out of the house all the time. So okay, so I'm using a new one because I don't want to cross contaminate. Let's see, there's no dust here. Let's see, I see some hairs here from the dogs because the dust goes everywhere. So, it's doing its job. It's cleaning it up, and it's not like lathering the dust anywhere. It's collecting it, which is very nice. And it also has some strands of hair here as well. Um, Overall, it's a good product. So overall, I do recommend this. It comes with 100 of these, so they're disposable. They're not meant to keep using them and wash them, nothing. Like, once they're dusty enough, you just throw them in the trash and use another one. And for the price of getting 100 of these, is pretty good. And it, as long as it does its job, I feel like that's what's worth it. You don't need to be getting name brand anything. So we need to save where we can and use the tools that we have accessible to us. And if we can save money, I feel like everyone wins. So yeah, really good product, and I hope you enjoy this product as well if you decide to purchase it. Also, I just realized you can use this on the couch too, if you have like leather couches, because we never dust up here. So there's just a lot of uses that you can actually dust and clean, which I really like. So these are used for dusting, picking up hair, pet hair, just regular, even pollen if you're like outside picking that up if you want to use it outside. It's not meant for crumbs, like food crumbs, things like that. It's not going to pick up. You need to be using this for things like using what you use a duster for. And like I said, you can use this for the floor, or you can even use it as a little duster. Instead of buying a duster, you can use these as little disposable dusters as well. And it's just much more convenient. You don't need to buy another tool. You can just use your hand, and unless it's like high places, and yeah, you need a tool. But if you don't need it, then this is more than enough, and you're not contaminating anything. And after it's done, you just throw it away. No need to wash things and do laundry or anything like that. So I find this very convenient, and I'm gonna be using this to clean the house from now on. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.